Yeah, people, so get ready with me. As I make a try to go on ATM machine in a Jamaica, go collect one little piece of money out there, you see me? As you know, we're going from in a Jamaica, we shoot up on them thing there, and people afraid to pull up a certain vehicle there, and afraid to collect their money. But you see, we're going to collect our money because we want it. So we get ready now. So as you realize, I almost completely dressed already because I'm not showing underwear on the platform, you see me? I'm talking about underwear. Man pants wear upon them waist. Man pants must not be under their bottom. I show off underwear and them thing. The fire burn for them thing. When they do them vibes there. Right? As you can see, we have a little coordinated vibes going on. You can meticulously scrutinize the jeans of a bag of old night because we're trying to bring out the narrative. Like you don't know if I'm rich or poor, him have no money. And we're trying to pull it off like that. You see me? Yeah. So next thing at the top right now, as you can see, we have a little wife beater, a little marina. As you can see, the belly is as big as the ocean, people. But as them say, if you have got to survive in Jamaica, you see me? And a sizzler would have said, we got it right there. But I got there again by summer still. Nobody pre that. And as you can see right now, we have a little cracks in our hand. You don't know, but they ate the shoes at one time like how Jamaicans ate hypocrite. But right now, we lip on my foot like how corruption living in Jamaica, you see me? We just slide it on, so bumps. We put my foot and we say, you're ready for move out and anything. We say, pause. Because right now, the shoes are in a sports mode. You see me, because anything I go on, you have to took off, you have to speed up. Jesus. Yeah, so I go so I grab a black t-shirt, like a muted vibes, and I dash it on, you see me? But it's a yard shirt, I'm not to realize it, but I'm lift up my hand, people, one hole in this shirt. But it don't really matter to me, because I try to pull off the narrative of when I nothing. Hole in the pants, hole in the shirt, it work. Yeah, man say no if you drop a piece of chain, because Jamaicans always drippy. I go so I drop it around it, but we say, psych! We not fling on the chain. Fling and grab it off our neck. You must be mad. That's a our yard. You see me? So them say, you know, splash on like a cologne. Yeah, man, I'm putting up on game right now. You see that cologne, a gentleman by Givenchy. Easy compliment getter. So we go so we splash it on and we say, psych! We not splash on the cologne, we splash on like a olive oil. You see me? Right now, people out the road full of pestilence and evil. We have to ask Jesus Christ to cover with hand and blood every single day, you see me? We have to pray and just cover up people as we go because we don't know where we're going with step out. Instead them shoot at the people in place what they. But you don't know where we're going. So right now we dash on the glasses, you know? Because we don't want them to see with eyes and see next moves that we're going to make, you know. We can see them but them can't see we. So we stay here now, people. Always stay for go out the road. Beer hole in the clothes, but you don't know, so you're ready enough to take it on. Card in the back pocket and them thing there. You don't know. We're going for money. Because I full money I want it, you see me?